When it comes to elevation and depression of the scapula, they go right up and back down. All good? Now we're going to do a seated pulley row. Both hands here. Now pull back, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Squeeze the shoulder blades together.
It's a retraction.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Now go forward again. And come back again. Squeeze them together. Thank you. That is scapular retraction, also known as scapular adduction. Now come forward. No. Come forward with your hands.
Okay.
There you go. Separate them.
Protraction.
Now that's protraction. Do you see? Scapulas are going. You wouldn't necessarily, but he's accentuating that just so you can see, right? Scapular protraction, also known as scapular abduction. Why? Because it's so far away. Abduction, so far away from the midline. Go back again. Squeeze together. Scapular retraction and scapular protraction. Do you see? Okay. Now here we go. Let's do a shoulder press. Both hands. This time, push overhead. Boom. Come back down. Now the scapula is going this way up.
It's whatever your arms are going, the way that your arms
There
are
you
going.
go, and back down. There you go. I said this, repeat, because I want you to repeat. I said always, if it's scapular abduction, you are always going what? Upward rotation. Anytime it's adduction is always downward rotation.
Can you say that again?
Anytime you're from Canada, you have to repeat yourself multiple times. This is upward scapular rotation as you're abducting. As you're adducting, it's downward rotation.
For your shoulders.
Okay, with the shoulders, correct. Okay,
Got it.
thank you.